the subjects have been chosen, whether they volunteered or not in the study, except their mantis, and then there's 4 different types of bias: voluntary, non-response, convenience, and maybe I'll, like get a snack or something. I'm hungry. Yes, sir.
So,
Yeah, they're having a good time. Remember, this is
Las Vegas. That's pretty cool, Chris.
I think the only notable thing about Nevada is literally Las Vegas.
What about Reno, bro?
maybe I shouldn't go there.
Actually, I went to Reno. Actually, before it wasn't bad. I think the thing is, you ever just realize how the fuck they have so many fucking frats there? Like that's like the pinnacle. Like they're fucking. Nevada stays like the pinnacle of fucking like frats, dude. Like everybody, it's just a party university. It's actually hilarious. The mall zone.
What? Okay. Okay, that's good. Really?
I forgot about how
The
this
Elmo,
is.
yeah.
I love the Elmo. It's so awesome.
That's a pretty good deal. Oh my god. Oh my god.
so. Here's how our routines change. She can't eat cat food, so I feed her baby food. Baby.
Well, she did.
Baby is kidneys. Don't smoke this. Oh no.
Nick, remember the plan to just get a block of ice that's big enough so like we don't have to worry about global warming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is so retarded.
No, but it worked in Futurama, so it should work in real life.
Of course.
From like all time.
No, just from this session.
No. Oh,
Why'd I do that?
Olive Garden is so good. I wish it.
no, it isn't. Don't say that ever.
I said.
Yeah, do you remember when we went to Olive Garden?
Yeah, I remember that.
We both got like awful food poisoning.
We didn't get food poisoning, but like.
I did.
Nick, just open your fucking Instagram, bro.
No.
I'm being sarcastic.
No, you're not being sarcastic. We know you were very serious about this.
Oh yeah, I was very serious about it.
I wish Italy was real. I don't.
I wish I went to Italy. I wish Italy was real.
I wish all of France would just go.
Stratified. There's a cluster.
Come on.
Systematic. There's a census. Right, those are all the different sampling methods. Or observational study. So,
Give me that.
Under sub-sample statistic. Population parameter, sample statistic. So the P's match with the P's and the S match with the S's.
That is fact, bro.
The variables.
Goodness.
Or the variables. Look, if you're studying how using Quizlet on students can affect test scores, obviously I'm trying to go all like through all of this fucking on like in my head right now, but what do you call it?
Oh, that's a cool. Ooh.
Two beds, one bath, 2,500. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I wouldn't object to any of these items. Or maybe the.
This I'm looking at is new school that has a 2 out of 10 rating.
Wait, 2 out of 10 on what?
Does Trinity still post on her?
Same
Oh,
one
she
nearby.
does. Oh my god.
You know, now I think about it, Trinity reminds me of like the female version of Tristan.
That is such a bad comparison. Dude, she's so posed.
Her dog's above like a pretty okay amount.
No, it's not. No.
For when we play Fortnite.
Oh, Josh is on the rise.
You what?
What's up, my bro? I'm gonna lose this. Watch this.
I'm going to lose this.
Yeah, I'm gonna lose it.
That looks fucking disgusting, dude. I swear to God, bro, hygiene is like a sin in India.
Oh, sure.
Not this video.
No, we should all bring our Uno cards and then like we'll all play together. We'll
I
combine our
have just
decks.
one big deck and
Yeah,
then we need to pack
yeah.
up, it'll all get like mixed up.
Yeah. I don't see a problem with that. Don't be revolving doors. Okay.
What?
Okay, he's doing it!
What is fucking... This is a new post from seconds ago. Bro did not tag anybody. Yeah! Let's go, baby! That's what I'm waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I'm waiting for. That's what it's all about.
Do it! Do it!
Do it. Do it. Do it. What you gonna do it? Damn Donnie. Damn yo. Damn Johnny yo. Down to God. Tsuki da. Tsuki da. Dora da ke. Tsuyo sake demo. Omori de kan. Door near na. I am. Oh, he's in Korea right now.
Oh, he's gonna take my Dios and then everything's gonna suck.
What James Cage
Yeah, I'm
wants
out.
to be.
Dio?
Yeah.
Oh no, Dio da! Hey, did you know that it was me?
It was me, Barry.
It was me, Nick.
Oh, okay.
It was me.
What'd you do?
It was me, Nick.
What'd you do?
It was me, Nick.
Oh.
Oh, bro. I don't know, man. It was me. Okay, so. Simple, random, simple, dude. Random, sample. Wait, what was it? Just.
Whew.
I don't know
We
when
win.
you